what to do to get a promotion and earn more as a Java developer. Improve your technical skills, send your CV to more companies, work harder to get your company's attention. And what if I told you that none of these alternatives is the best option? Well, I'm not saying there's a magic formula, but there is a simple and practical step-by-step process that my mentees apply to boost their careers and increase their salaries. Some of them have even doubled their salaries in record time. All my mentees who have applied this step-by-step process have achieved some of these results. They increased their earnings, got promoted to work with flexible hours and have more free time for them and for their family, got hired by a multinational company and have their salaries in dollars or euros. They became a reference for their coworkers and employers. In short, the step-by-step process has worked very well with my mentees, and now I've decided to reveal it for free to more developers interested in having a career and above average earnings. I've prepared a free class to tell you more about this and how to get a successful career, become a recognized and well-paid developer, and still have free time. To know more details, just click on the button below.